Thutha wa nyomba ya ngoroba ithatu kumomoka na kuraga andu athatu kaunti ya MURANG'A, Ruhonge rwa WAKI wa nyomba nirwo rwa NCA nirwambitie gukundika mitaratara ya gutura ya kurigiria mituni ya kumomoka kwa nyomba iria koretwo ikionekana na wingi na kuraga andu bururi-ini. Kiaria vinde kuthomithia mabundi makiria ma 400 kuma gicigo mbunge kia Manyata Stephen NYAKONDO, abitha wa utwiri wa Ruhonge rwa NCA thuthuria mabundi mengi ma nyomba bururi-ini matiri na utaramu ona kana marua ma kuonania ni makinyanithiriti ikiro cia gwaka, na koguo thutha gutambia mathomo ma bururi-ini gutiri mubundi ugetikirwo kuruta wira atari marua.
The fundis that implement these projects are not fundis that are accredited. They are not fundis that have good competency. So the NCA programs that we have for accreditation makes sure that the fundis that are on site are the fundis that are qualified.
NIGUO gutigirira kandarathi ya waki wa MANYUMBA ni mararuta wira ukinyanithiriti ikiro. NYAKONDO auga maita NCA makamakanjagira marua ma WIRA na makirariria nyomba iria makite ciatuika cia kumomoka.
We have a program for blacklisting contractors. If you have a contractor whose projects have failed, and we have some similar projects that are happening in Nairobi where we are currently doing inquiries, and if we find the contractor is culpable, there are actions that are taken.
Mwenari wake mbunge wa Manyata John Mukunji urero agwatanirite na Ruhonge rwa NCA gutavania mathomo mau auga mabundi mau matuika makuvewa certificate ni magokorwo makigira mieke ya mawira kuma gwitavarira ira rathi na mbere ya thirikari nene ya waki wa nyomba cia thogora wa nthi na wa undu umwe na mawira ma waki wa irathi na wabici cia wathani wa matura maria magakorwo magitwarithio na mbere ni wabici yake.
Ithara ria kwagia opportunity ya utumi wa nyomba itigakorwe igatumagirwa na guku kwe ni andu anja ni tugukorwo tugisupply andu aya maretwa skilled na unskilled labor kana aria metagwo KYM kwi project ire kwa cia around us nigetha ivote gukorwa imona ici kigia tumawira
kuona mathomo ma kuva mabundi certificate makataragithwa na mbere na ngwataniro na mathukuru ma kiubundi agwatitemi maigirite na kuma bundi kumira na wingi na kuthoma ni tondu uge wao ni urendekana nginya mabururi-ini manager.
In Kenya at the moment we are having a program of what we are calling CBET, that is competency based education and training, to ensure that people are properly skilled other than concentrating too much on theory, and that is what now we are doing.
Muvango uyu wa Ruhonge rwa NCA wa kuthomithia mabundi na kumava marua urarongoriria gutigirira ati agwatitemi onthe a waki ni mena ugi uria urendekana wa gutuma nyomba ina kirathi niguo kurigiriria mituno ya womoke wa nyomba kuonekana. Vanduri Vakameme TV ni gicigo mbunge kia Manyata kaunti ya Embu. Niĩ Peter Dennis Fundi.